Hello everyone, welcome back to Vector Labs FZE LLC. In this tutorial, we are going to create a new app, Food Shop, in which we will add some items, fix their prices, and add cart button, where customers will add their selected items and pay the bill. So let's start our tutorial. First open Windows PowerShell, select your path and create Food Shop app. Open it in Android Studio, go to main dart, remove theme, edit title, Food Shop, and replace home. Remove extra classes, add a new class, home. Open it in emulator and see the scratch app. Remove debug banner, replace scaffold and add background color gray. Save it and add a body, column. In children, first add a padding for food shop title. Select its style. For it, first add Google Fonts. Go to PubSpec and add Google Fonts. Add its version. Go back to main dart and add style. Now add food shop icon. Add a new directory assets and import these files. Go to PubSpec and remove hashtags to assets. Set assets. Add path of shop icon and save. Now add padding. For text, free home delivery. Set its alignment and style. Add a size box and separate it from text, its slogan. Customize its style. Add a size box and now add a padding for start shopping button. On pressed, material button will navigate to shop page. Create a new dart, shop. Import material dart and add a class shop. Now add a text to it. Start shopping. On pressed, it navigates to shop page, which is empty right now. Set its size. Now customize shop page. First add a scaffold and customize app bar. Our app bar created. Now add a title, icon button for arrow back. On pressed, it will need to home page. and add icon, arrow back. Now add a floating action button. On pressed, it will navigate to my cart. For it, create a cart page. Set its background color and add a child icon, shopping cart. Now customize the remaining part, body. First add a column to it and add a child. Now set a padding of horizontal 110 and add a text welcome. Now add padding for new text. Pick your favorites. Add a size box. And separate the text welcome and pick your favorites from shop items by a divider line. Add text fresh food items. Now put expanded for our food items. Create a new dot cart model. Wrap material app with change notifier provider. Add builder to consumer cart model and customize grid view. Go to cart model and create cart model extends change notifier. Add some lists. First add item name, then its price and its image path. Last one its color. Copy and paste it. Rename items. List cart items. Include all the items enclosed in brackets. Then add gets. In item builder, put food item tile. Create new dot food item tile. And customize it properly. Add some strings, item name, item price, image URL, color, and on pressed function. In widget, add padding and container. Set its decoration. Then add child column and add the required items. First image URL, then item name, and then the last item price enclosed in material button. On pressed, it will be added to cart. Add required arguments in food item tile. Set their values. For name 0 because it is written in the start of index. Price 1, image URL 2, and its color 3. Same as it is in all the arguments and replaced by 0, 1, 2, 3. On pressed, it will add item to cart. To set this function, add item to cart, go to cart model and add void add item to cart and set their index. Also notify listeners, add a new void, remove item from cart. In the last, add string calculate total. It will calculate the total amount of selected items. Go to home page, press start shopping, and our selected items are ready. We can also see their containers, names, images, and price. First, set their alignment to space evenly. It is showing this error. To remove it, add item count, shop items not length. It will show all the items added to shop page. To add it to cart, click on the price. Now customize cart page and paste the following script. You can copy it from GitHub, link given in the description, and also use the assets uploaded on GitHub. Now check the result. Go to shop page. Select the items by clicking on price and it will be added to cart. You can see the total amount and you can also remove the item from cart. If you want to select an item more than once, click on the price as many times as you need. And all this will be added to cart. See the total amount and pay now. So this video was all about the food shop. After watching this video, you can create your own food shop app from scratch and add shop items to sell them, set their prices, and add the payment method to receive the money. Hope so you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, show your reaction in the comment section. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. If you want to develop your apps by us, contact us on LinkedIn, Vector Labs FZE LLC. See you in the next video. Bye bye.